Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to print custom designs, logos, and even photos directly onto your food and drinks. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, with the edible printer machine, it's now a reality. This mini-color inkjet food printer is revolutionizing the way we personalize our culinary creations, and I'm excited to share with you all the amazing features it has to offer. One of the standout features of this edible printer is its user-friendly smart connection. With the ability to connect effortlessly via Wi-Fi or USB, you can start printing within seconds. The mobile app makes it easy to upload images, logos, or text, eliminating the need for complicated setup. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this feature is ideal for use in cafés, bakeries, and restaurants. Imagine being able to offer your customers customized coffee cups, birthday cakes, or even branded desserts. The possibilities are endless, and the ease of use makes it accessible to anyone. Another key feature that sets this edible printer apart is its lightweight and ultra-portable design. Weighing only 110 grams and measuring 72 by 51 by 68 millimeters, this mini printer fits comfortably in one hand. Its compact size makes it perfect for home kitchens, coffee shops, dessert bars, and even on-site events. The portability of this device is a game-changer for businesses and individuals who want to take their culinary creations to the next level. Whether you're a food truck owner, a caterer, or a home baker, this edible printer is the perfect tool to have in your arsenal. The printing performance of this device is also impressive. With the ability to print in just 10 to 20 seconds, you can complete up to 415 prints on a single charge. This makes it highly efficient for business use during peak hours, ensuring stable and continuous operation for high-volume environments. Imagine being able to print custom designs onto hundreds of coffee cups or desserts in a matter of minutes. The speed and efficiency of this edible printer will take your business to the next level, and the cost savings will be substantial. The edible printer machine also offers multi-surface edible printing, allowing you to print on both solid and liquid surfaces. From biscuits and bread to cakes, chocolate, and even fried eggs, the possibilities are endless. You can also print onto thick liquids like latte milk foam, cream, and sesame paste, making it perfect for cafés, bakeries, weddings, parties, and special events. The versatility of this device is unmatched, and the quality of the prints is exceptional. But what really sets this edible printer apart is its creative personalization capabilities. With the ability to print photos, text, emojis, patterns, or logos directly onto food and drinks, you can unleash your creativity and make every serving memorable for your customers, friends, and guests. Imagine being able to print custom designs onto your favorite desserts or coffee cups. The edible printer machine makes it easy to craft personalized treats that will leave a lasting impression. In conclusion, the edible printer machine is a revolutionary device that is changing the way we personalize our food and drinks. With its user-friendly smart connection, lightweight and ultra-portable design, fast and efficient printing performance, multi-surface edible printing, and creative personalization capabilities, this device is a must-have for any business or individual looking to take their culinary creations to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the edible printer machine today and start printing your way to culinary greatness. Don't forget to